Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a beautiful image with the help of Gemini AI or Perchance AI, totally free. Okay, so this is Gemini AI and the left two are from Perchance AI. So how to create this beautiful image with a prompt. Let's start. Welcome back. You can see here this image I have already created on Gemini AI or Perchance AI. This is a Perchance AI. So how I can create some image I have generated on the Gemini AI. Some I have already downloaded from internet and include and combined two images and upload on this is created from Gemini AI. You can see here two have images I have uploaded and the result is just drop down. This one that I have downloaded, this is a result, and this photo I have uploaded in on ChatGPT to get the beautiful prompt for making a beautiful honeymoon poster for my flyer designed for my client. So you can see here, this is the first prompt. First you and upload this photo upload and command the ChatGPT kindly make this prompt. So I want, this is my perfect, this is my first prompt, and I want the second prompt. I will show you the second prompt, how the AI generated software gives us a beautiful scene. This is a real video. You can see this is my second prompt, and this one perchance.org, no login. This one is image generating. Just paste the second prompt and you can see here the casual photo, square photo, and maximum 14 photo you can generate it from Perchance. Perchance is a very wonderful AI generated software alongside Gemini photo generated tools. I love this one. I am using the two web image generating in my daily work for making a flyer design or making AI generated poster. So this is another one, flat AI. This site generated only one image, only a single images. From here to same prompt I want to upload on here. So this is a description box. So and click on generated button, hit on generated button. So I want to see what website provides me a very beautiful image. You can see here total 8 images. The website will is generating. So this is a free this generated image. This looks good, but this is the sun. This is the sun, not a moon. This is the sun, but in dark. So you can see here, this is a this one is good. The heart shape is perfect, not perfect but natural heart shape, and this one is very good because the moon is real moon, but the heart shape is not good. The candlelight of heart shape is not good. So images is good. So here you can see here the heart shape is good. This is the time of sunset, or you can say last evening time. So I have downloaded 4 images from perchance.com, and the same process I will apply on the Gemini. So I gonna be show you what image generating website give me a good quality image. This is the main tutorial in my video. So you can see here there's 4 images I have downloaded. This one looks good because the moon is very artistic feel. This is not good because this one very good. I like very much this one. You can see here. So second prompt, the same second prompt. Just copy this prompt and go to Google Gemini and paste on here and hit on enter button. So I want to see what's the result the Gemini gives us. This is the main tutorial. You can see here. This is I think this is the first prompt. Mistakenly I have this was the first prompt. This one is second prompt. Copy this one, copy prompt and paste here, paste and hit on go button. Check the and hit on go button. So you can see here, this is very good quality, I like this one, but there is no moon, so I want to download this one. For customer like this, I hope the customer, my client, will like this. So I have completed my job. This is 3 images from different website. So this is Perchance on left, 2 are from Perchance, and right only single one from Gemini UI. So if you are new in my channel, kindly subscribe and hit on bell button to get early new release video. Thanks for watching. Save planet. See you again in next video.